if you wanted to say welcome, for example, if I wanted to say welcome to Darasa, then I'll say Nidakonyita ugeni Darasa, or Nidakonyita ugeni goku Darasa. So say after me, Nidakonyita ugeni goku Darasa. Nidakonyita ugeni goku Darasa. So welcome is Nidakonyita ugeni. Nidakonyita ugeni. Again, Nidakonyita ugeni. Dakonyita ugeni. But when we are saying, or when someone knocks on the door and you say welcome. So when someone knocks, like knock, or they say hodi and you say welcome. So in Kikuyu, we are used to say karefo, which is derived from Swahili karibu, karefo, karibu. But we say igera, which means come in, igera. So again, welcome is Nidakonyita ugeni. Or if you have visitors at your house, you can tell them Nidamonyita ugeni. Nidamonyita ugeni goku gwitu. I welcome you to our home. Nidamonyita ugeni goku gwitu. Again, Nidamonyita ugeni goku gwitu. So I welcome you to our home. And then I know we've learned this twice, but it's also a courtesy word. How do you say thank you? Thank you. We said it's thegyo, or we can say newega, or we can also say negado, and we can say I am begging you. If you want to say I am begging you, I am begging you, or I beg you, so you will say Dagudhaitha. Let's say that together. Dagudhaitha. I beg you. Dagudhaitha. So in a sentence you can say I beg you not to leave. I beg you not to leave. So we'll say Dagudhaitha ndugathie. Dagudhaitha ndugathie. Dagudhaitha ndugathie. Again, Dagudhaitha ndugathie. Okay? It can also mean please don't go. You would want to ask someone, can I help you? Can I help you? In Kikuyu you say, no guteithie. No guteithie. Let's say that together. No guteithie. No guteithie. Can I help you? Or if you wanted to say, do you need my help? Do you need my help? You say, Nĩ ũrabatara ũteithio wakwa. Nĩ ũrabatara ũteithio wakwa. Again, Nĩ ũrabatara ũteithio wakwa. Nĩ ũrabatara ũteithio wakwa. Do you need my help? And if you want to say, can you help me? Can you help me? You say, no ũndeithie. No ũndeithie. No ũndeithie. So, if I wanted to say, can you help me carry my bag? Can you help me carry my bag? So in Kikuyu, we'll say, no ũndeithie gũkua mũhuko wakwa. No ũndeithie gũkua mũhuko wakwa. Again, no ũndeithie gũkua mũhuko wakwa. No ũndeithie gũkua mũhuko wakwa. And then you can say, yes, I will help you. Nĩ ngũgũteithia. Nĩ ngũgũteithia. Again, nĩ ngũgũteithia. Nĩ ngũgũteithia.